on longboarding with the dog. Woo! There's the park. Hey, boat. Kaya, come on. Come on, Kay. Kaya. Chico, move. Oh, look, a squirrel. And the dog, I think Chico, yep, that is Chico. For anyone wondering by the last video, that's my second dog, Kaya, that used to live with my mom. But due to family stuff, she's living with us for like about a few weeks. Or a few months, I don't know when. But yeah. On a nice December day, 3 days before Christmas. Before Christmas comes and brings joy to the land. Yeah, she's a right raggedy one.